The diamond blade on your tile saw makes quick, clean cuts in even the hardest of tiles. The blade is designed for long life, but eventually it will wear down and will need to be replaced. The harder the tile, the faster the blade will wear. The blade can also be damaged or bent. Binding up the blade can damage the diamond surface or bend the blade. Side grinding with the blade can also cause it to bend. Replacing the blade is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old blade. I'll pull the guard back to access the nut. I'll use the spindle lock to lock the arbor in place, and now I can remove the nut. And it's just a regular thread, so I turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Now remove the blade flange and the old blade. Now I can install the new blade. I'll place it over the spindle, make sure it's sitting flat against the rear flange, replace the front flange, and secure it with the nut. And that's all it takes to replace the blade on your tile saw.